Good morning to everyone. Today we are discussing about subtraction in Vedic mathematics. So, before going to do the problems, you have to remember some terminology in subtractions. First one is mismatch and match. These are the terminology we are doing subtraction process. So, what is the mean by mismatch? For example, 8 minus 9. Is it possible? Actually, it will get the negative numbers. These type of cases is called mismatch. Another example, 7, 9 or 8. This is called as a mismatch. Are you understand, children? And match case. That means 7 minus 3, answer is 4, or 5 minus 2, answer is 3. This is called as a match case. And remember one thing, complements. What is the mean by complement? One complement is 9. That means if you add 1 to the 9, it will get 10. And what is the complement of 2? That is equal to 8. That means 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. These are the complement. 3 complement 7, 4 complement 6, 5 complement 5, 6 complement 4, 7 complement is 3, 8 complement is 2, 9 complement is 1. That means which number we are adding to this number, it will become 10. That is called as a complement of the given number. You have to remember these complements. Okay. Actually, in addition process, we are doing one first method of Vedic math, that is Ekadikena Purvena. In this, we have to remember the method Ekanyunena Purvena. That means we are subtracting one. Ekanyunena means subtraction. Okay. Let us take one example. 34 7. First of all, we have to identify. Always we are doing, always not always, sometimes we are doing left to right. Actually, before going to the subtraction, you have to identify this is mismatch or match. We know that this is a mismatch because 4 is 7 is not subtracting from 4. It is called as a mismatch case. So in this case you have to ekanyunena purvena. That means before number, that is 3, you have to subtract one digit. That means minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then what is the complement of 7? That is 3. Look at here. 7 complement is 3. These 3 can be added to the 4. Understand, children? 4 plus 3, 7. 34 minus 7, answer is 27. We will do another example. 34 3. That means you have to identify it is a match case. So no need to ekanyunena purvena. You have to write as it is 3, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is the answer. Another example, T8 9. Identify this is a mismatch case. So you have to subtracting 1 from before number, pre number. That means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. What is the complement of 9? That is 1. Look at here. So this number can be added to the 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is the answer. Another example, 67 8. And again here it is a mismatch case. So you have to ekanyunena purvena. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. What is the complement of 8? That is 2. These 2 can add to the 7. That means 7 plus 2 is 9. This is the answer. Are you understand, children? Let us do another example. 384293. 3 digit number. Look at here. Before going to the subtraction, identify this is a mismatch or match case. Actually, this is a mismatch case. So you have to ekanyunena purvena. 3 minus 2 is 1, but this is a mismatch case, so you have to subtracting 1 from this answer. What is the answer? That is equal to 0. Look at here. What is the complement of 9? That is 1. If you add these 1 to 8, it will become 9. Identify this is a match or mismatch case. This is a match case, so you have to write as it is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the answer. Let us do another example. 384297. Look at here, children. Identify. It is a mismatch case. 3 minus 2 is 1, but it is a mismatch. That's why we are doing Eka Nunena Purvena. That means 1 minus 1 is 0. And what is the complement of 9? 9 complement is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. And it is also mismatch. That's why we are doing subtraction from this number. 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. And what is the complement of 7? That is 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This is the answer, children.